Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I'm going to teach how to do the Java project 5x speed using AI. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the Java project uh, using a simple calculator program using AI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Google search ChatGPT. I'm open on the ChatGPT. Okay. So in it, first you have to start with act as a Java developer. Okay. You have to give the prompt correctly. Act as a Java developer. Then only the AI will be react according to the prompt which we have given. Okay. The act as a Java developer mean it is act as a Java technology. Okay. So click OK. It is here. Now it is switch to Java developer. Okay, so everything Java related to all the tasks that provide. Now here what I'm going to do is I need you to code how to add two numbers using here you have to properly you have to tell them it is going for the you are going for write the code for core Java or console application, or whether you are doing we are code for a swing application or Java FX or Spring Boot or JSP or servlet. Everything you have to mention. Okay, Java has a various technologies, right? So I'm going to do these things for my uh, let's see console application, not only the console application. So press enter key. Now here simply it is here is a simple code Java console application. Here simply it will be the one line. Here it is attached with the answer as well. Okay, so you can see without scanner. Without scanner mean now you can see the output. Here without scanner mean they provide the output look like this. Yeah, very simple. It everything is working well. Okay, it's everything is working well. Okay, it's very simple things. It is this is the implementation. Okay, very simple way. Okay, very simple way, right? So simply it is here. It is everything here. You have to assign that 50. There is a simple example. Okay, so which method? Command line, ARG, it's real console apps, interviews. These all the things they are asking whether you are going for the interviews. Int parameter ARGs. It's nothing but array. So everything. So now first I'm going to copy this code as a scanner class. If you implement the scanner class, it starts the first, enter the first number. If you enter, it goes to the next line, so that it will be show the this variable and go to the next line. You will be able to allow to enter the second number. After that, both numbers are calculated and assigned that sum. It has been written. Same thing here. We have initialize two integer variable. After that, calculate the total and assign to this sum. It has been printed. The simple it is. This is the way this programming is working. Now here simply I'm going to create the project Java here Java class. Next example, finish. This all things I am going to remove it. Paste the code. So the paste the code mean you are once you before paste it, how to paste it you have to understand. Okay, so the AI not paste the code, so we have write the same thing here. Just copy this. What is inside the class? This is a class. Okay, this is the class static main. This is a class. So here this class is not there, so you have to write the class. Okay, so here where's my application? This is not my application. My new application is as my new application. Oh, this is my new application. So not this. Where's No, I haven't. Shall we create it again? Okay, go to file, Java. uh, Here you have to write Java, and here no need to select Java application. Next, here create main class. You have to keep main class first console. Click finish. Now it's okay. Now let's take care of the code. Okay, now this code, paste it here. Okay, the addition in one bracket is enabled, so that here this is not error. Okay, this is, you can write, click on it here, import the Java util scanner. The util scanner will be under this Java namespace, so you have to implement that respective namespace. The error is take care of it. Now let's run the code. Now we'll be able to say it asks enter the first number. Let me enter 45, press enter key. It asks enter the second number 56, enter. Sum has been calculated and display this. So it is professionally done the code. Okay, so this code is working professionally. Okay, when you are okay, so the same time I'm going to remove this one. Second code here, how easy is it? Now again I'm going to go to run the code of this. Okay, copy this, paste it on here. Now you can see, first you have to initialize the variable 15. It assigned to this. This is 25 assigned to this. Both values are calculated and assigned to sum. Total has been calculated and displayed. We have to run the code. Sum has been printed as 40. Okay. Thank you for watching. It's how they have 5x speed for Java code using AI. Thank you for watching.